Hi everyone, just an update on a project I did for school for my final for Java, the data structures course. So this is the enrollment table view. It uses JavaFX and MySQL database on the back end and also custom CSS. So I can just populate this and it'll show up if you hover over it, right? And if I go to the database, I can change this to the enrollment where student T equals 2, I believe, and just run it. And again, you get the exact same grades, exact same data. So it does reflect in the database if I change a grade. So if I add edit grades by student, right? Get the grades. I'm going to change this grade, so I would do the course ID, the semester, and let's give them an A. Okay, and then the grade gets updated, and again it reflects in the database, so if I run this again, the grade gets updated. So yeah, I can also add students, and if I want to add a student, this calls an API to search for the zip code, and it's styled using Bootstrap. So let's see if the zip code is not valid. That one is valid, so it'll get created. But if it wasn't valid or it changes, you have to reevaluate. Same thing. So all of that disappears. So there we go, and then I can create another student if I want. And similarly for the courses, departments, and instructors. So if I add a course though, and I want to add, let's say calculus 2. So if I go to math, it's going to get populated right away based on the instructors of that department. If it's empty, same thing. So it populates it right away. So we create the course, and then same thing. So we can also create enrollments. Okay, so we can add an enrollment information. So let's go ahead and add a student. Okay, and then we can add a course. Let's see. Course ID could not be found. So let's see. Alright, there we go. We've got our course, and we can make the semester as well, and we can create that enrollment, and it's going to reflect. Okay, so if I go to reports, generate report, I can go to the course ID and the semester, and we're going to have students in that report. So yeah, pretty cool application. This one wasn't so bad for me because I didn't design it all from scratch. I mean, just doing the SQL schema wasn't too bad. It's actually easier than the file. But same thing, I can add a department. Let's add athletics, and the department gets created. Again, it's going to update in the database. Department. Oh, sorry. There we go. So yeah, athletics got added to the department list. So yeah, okay, and I can also drop a class. So if I edit the enrollment and I populate it, okay, same thing. We can drop the class and it'll go away. And then the enrollments where that student ID won't have that anymore. So drop the class, and the class is dropped. So if I populate this, nothing shows up. And same thing on the back end. Oops. it'll show no enrollments. Exactly. Okay, thanks for watching. Just a really quick demo of how the project works. There's also going to be GitHub code uploaded as well. Thank you so much.